welcome to today's guided meditation as we sink into our inner essence, raise our frequency, and radiate joy. Today, I ask you to sit as you breathe into this meditation with your feet flat on the floor, your spine erect, your neck aligned. You can place your hands either facing upward on your thighs to receive, or facing downward on your thighs to ground in this powerful energy. Settling into the present moment as we begin with breath work to begin to increase the energetic flow in your system. Follow along with the breath, breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth, as we create a circular breath in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. No pause between in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Last inhale, inhaling deep in, and holding for 15 seconds. Full exhale out, exhaling all of the air out of your lungs and holding for 15 seconds. Breathing in again, a nice flowy inhale, a rhythmic exhale as we enter round 2 of our circular breathing. Breathing in and out, in and out, remembering you are the consciousness within and out, in and out, in and out, feeling the energy flow in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Inhaling deep in, and holding at the top for 25 seconds. As you hold, sinking into the power within. You are not this body. You are not this mind. You are the essence radiating all around. A high vibrational conscious being, allowing the energy to flow through you, knowing that your blood is oxygenated and you have everything you need. As you exhale fully, exhaling all of the air out of your lungs, out, 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 and holding at the bottom for 10 seconds. Allowing your system to integrate this powerful energy. And now allowing your breath to return to normal, sinking into a deep meditative state. As you find the flow within, I want you to envision yourself walking down a beautiful yellow path. All you can see is bright yellow energy, like you are inside of the sun. You feel warm and held here. As you walk this path, you feel a deep sense of ease, love, radiance. Breathing in this powerful energy as a vibrant red moves through you, grounding you into the Earth Mother, finding sanctity and safety in her womb. As she anchors you in and unfurls your burdens, allow yourself to be held in this beautiful, safe space. Breathing in and out as a delicious orange energy wraps itself around you. This orange energy revitalizes your soul, filling you with energetic sustenance, life force energy. An inspired passion awakens within you as you surrender to this divine feminine state. Breathing deep into this moment, fully alive, awakened, anchored into the earth. As a vibrant yellow energy now moves through your system, your power center fully activates. A deep knowing, an ability to choose, your divine sovereignty present within you. Breathing in this incredible divine masculine energy, you are moved by divine will, sinking in to surrender, anchored into the earth as a beautiful green energy dances throughout you, awakening you to a high vibrational frequency of love. Love is what you are. Love is all that is present here and now in each moment. And as you sink into the love, expanding into oneness with all around you. Breathing in as you receive, exhaling as you give. A beautiful balance in this divine masterpiece of life. Still fully in your power, surrendered into safety, anchored into the earth. As the bright blue energy now opens you to your authentic creative expression, truth leads the way as your soul speaks to the world. A profound sense of freedom, no longer shackled by the fears of rejection or niceties. You simply are here now, fully authentic, able to express your mystical messages. Expanded into love, fully in your power, surrendered to safety, anchored into the earth. As a beautiful indigo energy awakens all the senses within you, and a powerful knowing is born, a remembering of all that you are and all you ever were, as all the puzzle pieces of this lifetime make perfect sense. A powerful, Gnostic awareness of your reality, with a final burst of color, a beautiful violet pours through you as you stand fully in your divinity, fully awakened and plugged into the cosmos, rooted into the earth, completely aligned here and now. As the colors fade and you find yourself back on the vibrant yellow path, you see a pulsating white light leading you further down the path. And as you follow, you can't help but smile as you begin to feel the joy within you expanding, radiating outward. The white orb stops ahead, and as you join it, it comes down through your crown, and you enter into a powerful portal. You are portaled into the center of this yellow energy. You find a beautiful, luscious seat waiting for you to sink into it, and you are joined by 5 of your most trusted guardians and spirit guides, ancestors and soul friends. They are here today to converse with you as you receive a powerful gift from the universe. As you sit in this luscious seat, a honey-like energy pours around you, fully encapsulating you in its yummy, warm essence. This powerful honey-like energy is expanding and filling you with the essence of joy, awakening joy within each and every one of your cells as you expand into a higher vibrational state of consciousness. Your frequency will rise higher and higher as you allow this energy into your cells, your blood, your bones, your aura. As you sit in this divine light, allow yourself to receive a powerful message from the soul friends that have joined you here today. The time is now for you to listen and receive. As this powerful message and communion with your soul friends comes to an end, thank them for their time and energy today, knowing you can always return to this space. You can always seek their guidance. They are always with you. As your soul friends depart, a powerful white light energy pours down on you like a spiritual shower, invigorating every cell in your system as you integrate the energy of joy into your heart. As you rise from your luscious seat, you feel a deep sense of peace within. You feel the light radiating off of you, expanding with every breath you take, rooting this into your system, knowing this can be a permanent state of awareness if you choose it. Sink into this moment in awe, gratitude, and wonder. As you take a deep breath, you are portaled out of this divine womb space, finding yourself back on the bright yellow path as your orb friend waves goodbye and you begin to re-enter your waking reality. As you breathe into this moment, know that this experience of joy is always within you. As you choose to tap into the joy and love within, it automatically radiates outward, expanding and creating more of the same. This powerful joy can be experienced even on your darkest days. For joy and love are in your essence. Breathing deep as you become aware of the surface beneath you, wiggling your fingers and toes, allowing your body to move and further integrate this powerful experience. Take all the time you need to simply breathe in the awareness of the cosmic masterpiece you are, of the love that's always available to you, of the frequency, the support, the divinity that is in constant availability, knowing you are held, loved, and cherished here and now. When you open your eyes, you are complete.